What's up guys, I am back and check it out. Boys, we got it. Oh, you know what this is. If you've been watching the channel, saw the last video. Let's open this thing up. Check it out. I am so pumped right now. Like, I can't even express how excited I am. Oh my god. So this is gonna be going in the S14, as I'm sure you know. Should be going in probably in a few weeks. I still have to order some pieces, like I need to get exhaust for the car, drive shaft, just some little bits because it's going from auto to manual. It's gonna be super fun to actually like get everything and like do the swap and try to do it in a weekend. So now it's time to show a little bit of love to this bad boy. Since the rear bumper is done with the vents mounted and cut out and everything, I decided may as well just mount this thing up today. So I cut out the tabs on both sides. You can't see my cut there. We've got on the other side as well. So hopefully that's gonna work well. Well, dude, I'm excited. So there it is. Oh yeah, that looks so good. I love how it looks with the vents back here and the vents up on that skirt. Oh my god. Cooking the SR for the S14. Man, I'm just really happy. I'm happy with the way this thing's looking, and oh yeah, just look at that. It looks so good. But if you like the video or if you like the car, share my channel. Just help me get my name out there. I really appreciate you guys who do watch the full videos, and I will see you guys next time.